So we're just going to look at this new sewing book I got. It's called Sewing the Curve by Jenny Rushmore of Cashmerette Sewing Patterns. I love how she wrote this book and shared all of her wisdom. It has so many great things about it. You can learn all about how she got started and how to sew if you don't know. She goes over the basics, which I thought was really cool. And then also she'll start going into, how to choose the right patterns for your body, how to measure properly, and just how to make some really key adjustments. She tells you how to read sewing patterns. She really does a great, thorough job going over fabrics and all of this stuff. I love that she includes sewing patterns at the end that you can use to make up some of these garments, but really the pictures are very clear and she goes over things very well. So I just think it's a really great book and you should totally check it out.